how to find winning NFTs. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can find winning NFTs which are underpriced to flip later and earn profit. It is a super fun and simple process, so let's get started. First, what you have to do is just come to OpenSea.io, and I will be using OpenSea. You can use other platform as well if you are, on Rarible or any other platform. I will be showing you an overview of how we actually find underpriced NFTs, winning NFTs that are going to get us profit if we are going to flip it. So first things first, what you have to do is on OpenSea, simply go to stats and ranking. In ranking, you will find all of the top NFTs that are top of NFTs, for example, ranked by volume, floor price, and other stats as well. You can see these are the top NFTs on OpenSea, ranked by volume, floor price, and other stats as well. You can check out their volume right here, their 24-hour percentage, 7-day percentage, their floor price, owners, and items as well, the total items these programs have. So these are the top programs. Now, to find an underpriced NFT, which is, right now is underpriced, but people don't know that, the owner doesn't know that, and we are going to be finding that NFT and we are going to be flipping it and earning a profit with the floor price in mind. So to do that, we are going to ignore the, top NFTs. For example, check this one out. This is CryptoPunks. Now, everybody knows the floor price for CryptoPunks. It is famous. Everybody, kind of goes into CryptoPunks first. But we are going to be going for the new NFTs where people are actually minting NFTs that are actually higher than their price, that are actually, underpriced right now. So when people do that, people actually underprice their NFTs when they are new. So we are going to be going for a program which is new. So on OpenSea, what happens is you will see this green dot on above of the new programs, and it also says new. So this way you actually find out that these are the new programs on OpenSea, and we are going to be going with a new one. So let me just find a new program real quick. You can see this one is new one, this one is new one, these are the old ones. So let me just scroll down and let's just find a very cool program to find underrated NFT. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go with this one. This one is called Cosmic Labs, and it's a new program, new collection. So I will simply click on right here. This one is on 98. So I will just open it up real quick. So you can see right here now my program is open, which is called Cosmic Labs. You can see they have 9,000 items. Okay, 3,000 owners. This is the floor price and volume traded. So this one is a new one. So once I have found a program, I will simply go for any of the NFTs. Let's just say I go with a new one. I simply click on new and it will open the new ones. So you can see these are the different NFTs, and I will just find any of these. So make sure you have low to high right here. So now these are from low to high. The NFTs I see first are lower in price, and it will increase as I go down. So turns out that these are the the cheapest ones in this collection. This one is 0.0851, and the next one is the same, and 0.10. Okay, so let's go with this one, or maybe this one. Okay, let's go with this NFT right here. This one is the lowest one right now in this collection, looking pretty good. This one is for 0.0851, which is $300. Okay, great. This is open for place bid, and you can check out the properties right here. Now I have an NFT, right? Now I need to find that whether it's rare or not, whether it's underpriced or not, or if I will be able to make a profit out of it or not. So what I have to do is I will simply go to a tool called Rarity.tools, Rarity.tools Rarity.tools, and on Rarity.tools you can actually find all of the different collections and different rankings, and it's a pretty awesome tool for, if you are into NFTs, you buy and sell NFTs, you should definitely have Rarity.tools. So on Rarity.tools, what we do is I will go to all collections and I will search the collection. You can actually search by the project name. Now my project name is Cosmic Labs, so I will go to Rarity.tools in the collections. Let's check out Cosmic. There you go, Cosmic Labs. This is good. Now Rarity.tools actually has an integration with OpenSea, so you will actually find all of the programs that are on OpenSea, you will find them on Rarity.tools. So this is Rarity.tools, and you can see my collection is opened right here. Before I show you the Rarity here, let me show you what happens is you go down to your NFT and simply go to properties. In properties, you have to find the 1% trade. So what happens is, in simple words, the rarity of any NFT, how rare the NFT is, the rarity of that NFT will increase its pricing. The rare a thing is, the more price people pay for that. Simple, right? So the more we go close to 1% to 1, the more rare it gets. So you have to find if it has 1% rarity, but if it does not, it's okay. You can see this one actually has 7% rarity in the background, 4%, 6%, 9%, 30%, 18%, 3%, 88%. So it has 7%, 4%, 3%. So it makes it as a whole, if we check out all, rarity, all the percentage, so it is a pretty good NFT. So, sometimes if it does not have 1%, in some of the properties, you can, it depends on as a whole how many percentage it is getting. And you can see that it has 4%, 3%. So it is a good NFT as we talk about the rarity. And when we come to Rarity.tools, you will be able to check out the rarity. If I tell you the number you see here, for example, /1, now this is the rarity for that NFT on the total amount. For example, you can see the total Cosmic Labs are 9,000, right? So out of 9,000, the closer these NFTs get to 1, the more rare they get. So this is /1, right? So this one is the most rare one. This one is 1, 1, 1. And as we go down, you will actually see that the rarity decreases. For example, this one is on 37, 38. So this is pretty good. Out of 9,000, these actually land on 1 or 2. So these are actually pretty rare ones. Now, if it is sorted by rarity, but you can see these are very expensive, very, very expensive. This one is 200 Ethereum. Now 200 Ethereum is almost, okay, if I just click right here, I will be able to actually show you. There you go. It is $8 million right here. So we cannot afford that if we want to buy and flip it, right? So this one is, you can see this one, because of its rarity, it has 1%. You can see right here, 0.01%. That's why this one is so expensive. So if I come back to Rarity.tools, and I will actually sort them by lower to high pricing, because that's what we are going for. We are looking for lower ones, and you can see that the lower priced ones, the rarity decreases. This one is on 8,000, 3,000 out of 9,000. So this is how rarity works, and this is how we get an idea how rare the NFTs, how expensive it's gonna be, what is gonna be the floor price. So you can see these are the, low priced ones. Of course, the rarity decreased with the price. So you can, simply go ahead and check the serial number for this one. So this one is 6240. So what I'm going to do is I will go to Rarity, and I will simply go to ID and add the ID for this one, which is 6240. Simply click on 6240 and look up. When I click on look up, the NFT will be opened right here. There you go. You can see this is the same NFT that I selected on OpenSea. So now I can actually check out their rarity score. I can actually check out their pricing, their floor price, and everything. So if I want to check it out on OpenSea, because these are actually integrated, so now you can see they're actually showing me their rarity right here, their body, mouth, and whatever properties this owner has. So I can actually check out the floor price, right? So the floor price for this one is 0.125. So you can see right here, if I click on highest floor price, so this is the price that it should have. You can see right here, it is 0.12 Ethereum. Most of these, rates are actually saying 0.125. So most of them are saying 0.125. And this is the, according to their rarity score or highest floor price, it's gonna be 0.165. According to its rarity level, this could be the highest floor price for this one, 0.165. And right now, it is being sold for 0.0851. So it has a potential. You can see 165 and 0.0851. So you can see right here that this is the highest floor price and this is being sold for this, and the difference would be 0.07 Ethereum in Ethereum. Yes, so I can actually make a profit. According to its rarity level, I can actually sell it for 0.165. So this is how we know this one is right now underpriced. If somebody is going to be buying it for 0.08, then it is underpriced. So this is how we know that this one is underpriced, and I can actually go ahead, and even if I buy it for 0.09 right now, then I will be making 0.06, still a profit. And we know that how Ethereum values 0.1 would be great, and 0.6 is actually a pretty good profit. So this is how we kind of know how an NFT is underpriced. The process is super simple and very fun to actually play around. You can go ahead and check out any of these collections. If you want to, just find the NFT and then come to Rarity.tools, and you can get insight of their rarity and what floor price they have and how much you can sell it for, and then flip it for if you want to, and then earn your profit. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to find your winning NFTs. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.